How to mute or unmute WhatsApp status of selected contacts. So what we'll do is open our WhatsApp here and we'll get an option of update, calls, community, chats and settings. So we'll click on updates option, and here after we can see a lot of status here. We can simply long press the profile that we want to mute, and we can get an option of mute, and we can simply mute. Here I am muting someone else. Here we can simply click on mute and the person will be muted. So what we can do to unmute them is we will see an option of unmuted updates right below of the our recent updates. So we can simply click on that muted updates option, and after clicking on that muted update option, we will be able to see their WhatsApp status, and we will get three dot option there, and we can simply click on unmute right there. And yeah, that is how we can mute or unmute WhatsApp status of selected contacts.